Guys, today I will take only half an hour, guys. I have a meeting at 8 o'clock. I need to join the client call. They will pull me in the middle. Okay. Fine, guys. Yesterday, we discussed how to create the directory files, how to go inside the directory files, and how to remove the directory files. What is ls command? All these things we discussed in last session, guys. Okay. Fine. So we will continue now. Guys, here we discussed the ls command, right? What ls command will do? Ls command will print the, it will display the list of files which are available in the present working directory. Whether it is a directory file or normal text file, whatever it may be. Whatever the files are available in the present working directory, all the files will display by ls command, guys. Okay. Now, we can apply some options on that ls command, guys. We can apply the options to that ls command. So what options we can apply, we will see, guys. What options we can apply, we'll see. Right, guys. So do we have any files here? ls, we don't have any files, guys. So now here, I'm going to create a few files, guys. Let me create the directory files only. mkdir, right now here, I'm going to create directory 1, D1 file, right, and D2 file. Right, two directory files I'm creating, ls. See, guys, D1, D2 files are created. Right, now, one more file I'm going to create, mkdir, D3 and D4. Right, these are the directory files which we have created, guys. Okay, when you run this ls command, it will display all the files which are available in the present working directory. So now what options you can apply on this ls command, guys? See here, ls-l. See here, you are getting only the file names. You are getting only the file names, but I want more details. Who created this file? Who is the owner of this file? Right? Under which group this file is created? Right? What permissions are there in that file? When this file is created, that complete details I want to get. So then you need to run ls-l command. ls-l stands for what? Long list. ls stands for list. ls-l stands for long list. It will display the long list like this, guys. See, guys, right here, these are the permissions, guys. I will talk about permissions later. Now, right, owner of the file is EC2-user. Group is EC2-user only. December 13, we have created these files, guys. Okay. So like this, you will get the more details about the file when you run this ls-l command. If you use just ls command, it will display the files which are available in the present working directory. I want more details about these files. Then you need to use ls-l command. What details it is providing? Permissions. Right? Whoever having which permissions, right, it is providing. And here, this is the right username, owner name, and this is the group name. Right? This is the date, guys. Right? It will provide the date, all those details at here, guys. Permissions we will discuss later, guys. What all these permissions, right? Who have which permissions, all those things we will discuss later. Okay. What other options we can apply on this ls, right? -lt, right? Or lr, guys. ls-lr means what it will do? Reverse long list. Now you are getting D1, D2, D3, D4. Now if you run this command, you will get D4, D3, D2, D1. Reverse long list. Enter. See, guys. D4, D3, D2, D1, you will get like this, guys. Okay, right? If you use just the ls command, you are getting the file names like this. If you want to get more details, then you need to use ls-l command, guys. Here it is providing complete details of the file. Next, guys. Right? If you use ls-lr, reverse long list, you will get in the reverse order, guys. Now, ls-ltr, right? Reverse order, reverse long list with timestamps. Reverse long list with timestamp, you will get T stands for timestamp, L stands for long list, R stands for reverse, guys. Guys, this order is not important. You can give in any order, LTR, right, RTL, TLR, any order you can give this one, guys. Order is not important at here. If you want more about this ls command, just run help command, guys. Help ls or man command is there, right? Man ls, guys, it will provide document about the command. Document, guys. See here, man command is there, man ls. See here, -a, -b, lot of options you can apply on the ls command. You can go through this, guys. You can go through this document. If you don't know about any command, if you want to know the details of the command, what you need to do, guys, just man, that command name you need to provide. It will give, see how much details it is providing. Complete document of the command it will provide, guys. Complete document it will provide it here. Okay, right, guys. Man ls, right? If you want to come out, just press q. Just press q, guys. You will come out from this man command. Man ls, it will give the document of the ls command, right? Man mkdir, it will give the document of the mkdir command, guys. So like this, by using man command, we can able to know the document. You can able to get the document of any command, guys. Okay, fine. So this is the ls command, guys. We will use to list out all the files which are available in the present working directory. Okay, fine. So now, till now, we have seen how to create the directory files, right? But I want to create the normal text file, guys. How you will create the normal text file? In Linux, we can create the text file in multiple ways, guys. In Linux, we can create the normal text file in multiple ways. In Linux, we can create the text file in multiple ways, guys. Multiple ways. What ways are there? One is by using touch command you can create. By using touch command you can create. Next, by using cat command you can create. Next, by using vi command you can create. So these are the these are the options which we have. We have more options, guys. Right here, just I have given 3 options. These are the options which we have to create the normal text files. If you want to create the directory file, we are using mkdir. If you want to create the normal text files, we need to use these options, guys. These commands: touch command, cat command, vi command, like that. Okay, by using vi command, what we can do? See, if you want to create the empty file, I don't want any data inside the file, just empty file I want to create, then you can go with this touch command. By using touch command, we can create the empty file, guys. Okay, see, guys, here, if you do ls, only directory files we have. Now, by using touch command, right, I'm going to create the file f1.txt. f1.txt, guys. Do ls. See, now these are the directory files and f1.txt is the normal text file. Guys, this .txt is not mandatory. Whether you are not giving this one also, no problem. By using touch, if you create anything, empty text file will be created. Okay, now touch command, multiple files I want to create at a time. f2.txt space f3.txt. So like this, you can create multiple files also at a time by using touch command. See here, we have few directory files and a few normal text files. But these text files are empty files only. Right here, first point, guys. By using touch command, we can create only empty files. If you want to create a file with the data, then what we can do? Or if you want to write the data inside these files, here by using touch command, we have created few files. I want to write the data inside these files. Then what I need to do? Here we have cat command. Cat, let's see, this greater than symbol. Now f4.txt I'm taking. Now what it will do? By the time of executing this command, if this f4.txt file is available, cat command will write the data inside f4.txt file. Right. If this f4.txt file is not available, then cat command will create a new f4.txt file and it will write the data inside that f4.txt file, guys. If it is available, directly it will write the data in the existing file itself. If it is not available, then it will create a new file and it will write the data inside that file. Now, do you have f4.txt file? No, we don't have the f4.txt file. enter. Now here it is asking to type something. It is asking to type the data, right? See here, I'm going to type the data like this. Welcome to Linux classes. Welcome to Linux classes, right? Welcome to shell script classes. Like this I have written. Now I want to save this data inside the file and I want to quit from the file. I want to save and quit from the file, right? What we need to do, just press Ctrl C. Just press Ctrl C, then this data will be saved inside the file and you will come out from the file also. Now let me run ls. See guys, here you can see these are the directory files and these are the normal text files. f4.txt is created. Inside the f4.txt we have the data, guys. Inside the f4.txt we have the data. See guys, what data is there? How we can see the data? I want to print the data which is available inside f4.txt. How to print the data, guys? By using cat command only. Cat. See guys, to write the data inside the file, we are using greater than symbol. Now, I don't want to write the data. I want to print the data which is available inside the file. Right? I want to print the data which is available inside the file. Then what? How to use this cat command? See guys, after cat, don't give any symbols, guys. Directly you can give f4.txt. See guys, cat f4.txt I'm giving. See, if you give cat greater than symbol, what it will do? It will write the data inside this file. Right? If you give cat space file name, it will print the data which is available inside this file. Right? What data is available inside this file? This is the data which we have written inside the file. Now I want to print the data. Just run cat space file name, enter. See here, it is printing the data which is available inside the file. Okay. Now again I am going to write the data inside the file. How you will write? Cat, right, greater than, right, f4.txt. In same file I want to write the data. Right, here I am writing, right, welcome to AWS classes. Right, next, welcome to DevOps classes. Welcome to AWS classes and welcome to DevOps classes. Now press Ctrl C. Okay, guys. Now cat space f4.txt. What it will print, guys? Please respond. What it will print? If we run this one, yes, all these things will be stored in our EC2 instance only. Okay, fine. See guys, now here when we run this command, what it will print? Cat f4.txt. What it will print? Guys, respond. Here I am trying to print the content which is available inside f4.txt. What it will print? Right, see guys, right, these are two things, right? Right, here first we have given welcome to Linux classes, welcome to shell script classes. Now we have given welcome to AWS classes and welcome to DevOps classes. Guys, observe carefully. Right, whenever you have used this greater than symbol, what cat command will do? It will override the data, guys. It is not going to append the data. Earlier, inside f4.txt, we have this data. We have this data, guys. Now, right, cat greater than f4.txt means, right, here whatever the data you have written, this data will override the existing data. Right, so if you override this one, what you will get when you run this cat f4.txt, enter. See guys, only the latest data which you are getting. Welcome to AWS classes, welcome to DevOps classes you are getting it here. Earlier, we have written welcome to Linux classes and welcome to shell scripting classes. But now we are not getting the data. Why? Whenever you have used this greater than symbol, cat command will override the existing data, guys. No, I want both. I want both, guys. Then what we need to do? If you want both, what we need to do, guys? Cat double greater than symbol we need to use. Double greater than symbol. Now here f4.txt. Right. Now we have the data. Right. Welcome to AWS classes and welcome to DevOps classes is there. Now I am going to write welcome to right? Java classes. Welcome to Java classes. Welcome to Python classes. Welcome to Java classes. Welcome to Python classes. Control C. Okay. Now observe carefully, guys. Cat. Right. I'm not giving any symbol. F4.txt. What it is printing? Welcome to AWS classes, DevOps classes, Java classes, Python classes. Everything it is printing. Right? If you use a single greater than symbol, it will override the data. If you use a double greater than symbol, it will append the data, guys. It will append the data. Right? If you are not using any symbol, then it will print the data, guys. Okay, perfect. Guys, now observe carefully. Inside f3.txt, is there any data? No, we don't have any data inside f3.txt. Now, right, inside f4.txt file, yes, we have some data. Now, whatever the data is present inside f4.txt, I want to copy that data into f3.txt, guys. The data which is available in f4.txt, I want to copy that into f3.txt. How you will do that one? Cat, right, f4.txt. Right. See, guys, what this command will do? This command will return some output, guys. So this output, right, it will return. This command will return this output. Now, instead of printing the data on the terminal, when you run this command, instead of printing the data on the terminal, I want to copy into another file. Right. What you will do? Space greater than f3.txt. f3.txt. What I am telling, right, if you execute only this command, it will return this data. Right? Don't print this data on the terminal. Whatever this command, right, is returning, whatever the output this command is giving, write that output into this f3.txt. Right? Whatever the output this command is giving, right, write that output in the f3.txt file. Enter. Okay. Now cat f3.txt. See, guys. Earlier, when you run cat f3.txt, there is no data. Now, we have copied the data from f4.txt to f3.txt. Now, you are checking this f3.txt. It is printing this data. Okay. So, now here, observe carefully, guys. Right here, what I am going to do. 1 minute. Let me write cat greater than f2.txt I am taking. Inside f2.txt also we don't have any data. Now here I am writing welcome to right, Azure DevOps classes. Welcome to Azure DevOps classes. Right, welcome to GCP classes. Welcome to GCP classes I have written. Now control C, guys. Okay, now observe carefully, guys. Observe carefully. Cat right here f2.txt. f2.txt, guys. What it will do? It will print the data which is available in the f2.txt. Okay. Now greater than f3.txt. If I do like this, what will happen? In the f3.txt, already we have this data. Now, when you run this command, right, inside the f2.txt, whatever the data is available, that data will override the existing data in the f3.txt. Means what will happen? So you will lose this data. This data will gone. This data will gone. Right? You will get this data in the f3.txt. No, I want both. I want both in the f3.txt. Then here what we need to do, instead of using greater than, just use double greater than symbol. Right? Cat f2.txt, it will return some output. That output I want to copy in the f3.txt file. Enter. Okay, now you can check cat f3.txt. See, guys, right? These 4 lines already existing data in f3. These are the 2 lines we copied from f2 to f3, guys. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Is this clear how to use the cat command? Right. Guys, we have discussed 2 commands. Touch command, cat command. By using touch command, what we can do? Just we can create the empty files. By using cat command, we can display the data, we can write the data inside the file, and we can append the data inside the files also. All these operations we can perform by using cat command. Okay, what is the next one? What is the next one, guys? After cat command, what other command we have, guys? Okay, guys, observe carefully here. Observe carefully here, guys. Here, what I am going to do. Right here, I am going to write some data in the 1 minute. Cat f1.txt. f1.txt, guys. Inside this, I am going to write some data. Right, welcome to DevOps with AWS classes. Welcome to DevOps with AWS classes. Now here, I am going to write. Now I am going to write EC2, right, EBS, AMI, right, ELB, right, here ASG, right, Route 53, right, Route 53. Now here S3, RDS, DynamoDB, right, CloudWatch, right, Elastic Beanstalk, SQS, SNS, right, SES, Lambdas, right, AWS CLI, right, IAM, right. After this, I am going to write a few more DevOps tools also. Maven, GitHub, right, Jenkins, right, Sonar, Tomcat, Terraform, Ansible, right. Next, Docker Swarm, Kubernetes, right. Exit. See, guys, this is the data which we have written inside the file, guys. Okay, how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Right, we have more than 25 lines, right? Around 30 lines are there. Okay, observe carefully, guys. Now, when I use cat f1.txt, what it is doing is, it is printing the data which is available inside the file from top to bottom. Whatever the data is available inside the file, it is printing complete data from top to bottom. Okay, perfect. So now here we have one more command, that is head command. Guys. Okay, before going to head command, guys, if I want to reverse this data, right, I want Kubernetes first, right, and I want this welcome to DevOps with AWS classes bottom, guys. What I need to do, guys, I want to get this data in reverse order. What I need to do? Respond. If I want to get this data in reverse order, see, guys, simple, very simple. Right here, to get the data, we are using cat command. Right, to get the data in the reverse order, just use tag command. Tag command we need to use. Tag f1.txt. Enter. See, guys, you are getting Kubernetes first. Guys, cat tag. Just reverse the cat. You will get the data in the reverse order. Perfect. Now, guys, head command is there. Head f1.txt. guys. What is the difference between cat command and this head command, guys? Right, both will print the data from top to bottom. Both will print the data, guys. Then what is the difference? Guys, when you use cat command, it will print the complete data which is available inside the file. But when we use the head command, it will print first 10 lines. By default, head command will print first 10 lines only. Enter. See, guys, you are getting just first 10 lines only. First 10 lines, you are getting it here. Okay, I want, right, more. 10 lines is not enough. I want to get 15 lines. Then what I need to do? Guys? If you want to get 15 lines, see, guys, head command, head -n. -n stands for number of lines. I want to get 20 lines from f1.txt file. Enter. See, guys, you are getting first 10 lines. First 10 lines you are getting at here. You are getting first 10 lines of the file, guys. Okay, same. Right? If you use a tag command, you are getting the data in reverse order. But now, instead of by using head command, you will get the first 10 lines. No, I want to get the last 10 lines. I want to get the last 10 lines. For that, we have tail command. Tail f1.txt. By default, tail command will print the last 10 lines of the file. Right? If you want to get more, right? I want 20 lines. Then here tail command, right? -n, right? 20 f1.txt. f1.txt, guys. See, you are getting last 20 lines. Cat command will print the complete data which is available inside the file. Head command will print first 10 lines of the file by default. If you want more number of lines, then you need to use -n option, -n and the number of lines which you want to print. Okay. Tail command will print the last 10 lines of the file. If you want to get more number of lines, -n and that number of lines you need to provide, guys. Okay. Is it clear? Head command, tail command, cat command. Fine, guys. Right. Only for today, guys. I'm dropping, guys. Right. Already 8 o'clock. I need to join for the client call, guys. Right. Tomorrow we will discuss, guys. Right. Tomorrow we will discuss. We will spend more time and we will discuss all these commands, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. Guys, tomorrow we'll discuss till 9 o'clock. Right. Only for today, guys. I need to join that call. Thank you, guys. Good night. If you want, tomorrow once again I will explain all these commands, guys. Don't worry. Right, if you guys are feeling right, so little bit speed, no problem. Tomorrow once again I will discuss these commands. Okay, fine, guys. Whoever not enrolled, please enroll, guys. Tomorrow maybe they will change the link, guys. Okay, thank you. Good night, guys.